आपसे ही सीखा है, आपसे ही जाना, आप ही को हमने गुरु है माना, सीखा है सब कुछ आपसे हमने, कलम का मतलब आपसे ही जाना। Good afternoon, a very good, and a very happy Teachers' Day to Honorable Professor Nirmal Kumar Chaudhary, former Vice Chancellor, Guwahati University, Sri Mahbubul Haq Sir, Honorable Chancellor, USTM, and Chairman, ERD Foundation, Dr. Mirul Hazarika, Honorable VC, USTM, Dr. R.K. Sharma, Advisor, USTM, Principals and Head of ERDF Group of Institutions, faculty members, and the whole ERDF fraternity. And especially to our media friends present today. We welcome you all to the Teachers' Day Celebration 2020. This is a very special occasion as today all the members of the ERDF group of institutions, namely University of Science and Technology, Meghalaya, Regional Institute of Science and Technology, Alama TR College of Pharmacy, Badar, Professor Colonel Haq School of Education, Khairun-Nisa Begum's College, Central Public School Badarpur, Central Public School Patharkandi, FAS for coaching and guidance are all present in one platform to celebrate this auspicious day. We would like to begin today's program with a Guru Vandana by our OSD, Polly Borgohain.
Mukam karoti Pashalam Pangum Langhayagirim Yat Kripataha Bandi Parama Nandashagaram Akhanda Mandalam Yena Sharasharam Dakhiti Jena Tashmai Shri Guruve Namaha Guru Brahma Guru Vishnu Guru Deva Maheshara Guru Shakshat Brahma Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha.
Thank you, Polly. We would now like to request Mahbubul Haq Sir, Honorable Chancellor, USTM and Chairman, ERDF, to kindly address the gathering. Sir.
Good morning to everyone. Professor Nirmal Kumar Chaudhary sir, Honorable Dr. R.K. Sharma, Advisor USTM, all my ERDF colleagues present here, all the faculty members from various institutions of ERDF across the northeastern region, especially Assam and Meghalaya, and especially media friends who have joined here in our program. This is a very special occasion here, friends. We are organizing this day in a very unique way from the Professor Nirmal Kumar Chaudhary sir here in Rukmini Gaon. And it's a feeling of all the media friends also. The Teachers' Day mostly celebrates in the institutions. But this time we are organized in a very special way. It is one of our great happiness that we are in the residence of a great academician of this northeastern region. And I must say, a great teacher and teacher of the teachers of this northeastern region especially. And I personally got many inspiration from his life, from his principles of journey and principles of teaching. First of all, I salute all the teachers of the whole world, the architect of the society, and especially our small team have been working relentlessly from last so many years under various institutions of EIDF. You are not at all employee of EIDF. You are all partner in progress and partner in our mission. Any institutions, it is not built by an individual. It is not built by a rich person. It is not built by an industry. The really institution, it builds by the honest teachers. And it was told in a book, last time also I have recited, that it was told about the teachers. Who are the teachers? It was told the mediocre teacher, they dictates. The good teacher, they explains. The superior teacher, they demonstrate. The great teacher of the society, they inspires. Visionary teachers, they transform the generation. And I have added smart teacher. Who are the smart teacher? The smart teacher always updates. My dear friends, colleagues, who are with me from last so many years, and you are serving our institutions, and you know that EIDF always striving for excellence. We have started a journey with 4 students and 1 computer in 2001. Today we have more than 300 teaching community, more than 8,000 students, and we have many achievements. And it is our commitment that we have to achieve excellence in the field of academics. Dear teachers, the teachers day always celebrates and enjoys by the students community. But today, we are all the teachers we have joined to celebrate our Teachers' Day. And therefore it is to everyone. Today morning, I have seen one of our many students from one of our school situated in Karimganj in Patarkandi. Many students, they have designed many such kind of placard, poems, and they have dedicated in the name of the teachers. And they have displayed at their home and captured the photographs and sent to the principal. And principal has shared in the Facebook. I am very happy. And students, they have not lost their state, and they have not lost their regards to the teaching community. Today, we want to convey this message to the house of Professor Nirmal Kumar Chaudhary sir, that this is the reality of our society, that teachers build the society, teachers transform the society. And I always feel proud that personally, I am spending my time with the teachers. I'm always grateful to the Almighty that when I wake up from this, immediately the next item comes to it. It is education. It is teachers. It is students. It is classroom. It is campus. And our associate community, that is our parents. So I feel proud that whatever my short life, that I am spending my life only for education, only for the teachers, and only for the students. And today I want to convey the message from this august platform, from the residence of a great academician, Professor Nirmal Kumar Chaudhary sir, that it is the honesty, it is the passionate services, it is the dedication, and it is the kind of attention community. We know this community and teachers, they are all at home, they are all stuck. We have seen And we have done a real experiment at our institution, in our institutions, that our teaching community, from the day of lockdown, they are catering classes. They have adopted the online technological system, and we have connected our system. We have connected our students, and we are virtually, we have been connecting a big family. And you will be happy to know that all media friends are here. We have completed our examinations, and our result will be declared very soon. It is because of you teachers. You have done extremely well. I am just hopeful that in the coming days, you will be more dedicated, you will be more passionate, and let us set an example in the front of the society that teachers are like this only. They are different people, they are honest people, dedicated people, and they guide the society, they inspire the society. And this kind of legacy, if we continue, I think people will remember us. People will remember us, they will not forget. And therefore, everywhere teacher is always respected. Today is kind regards to all of you, that you please you continue your services, continue your mission. Whatever the set missions we have here, please with your support, with your company, we want to fulfill it. On this auspicious occasion, I am sitting with Professor, and today I pray to Almighty that wishes all long live, and secondly, we want to get more benefits, more blessings from his life and journey. I welcome all of you, teachers. Please continue to connect your students' community. We need not be hesitant. We need not be afraid by any kind of such. Must be bold enough. We must come forward, and we must continue so that people of the society, they can get the inspiration from us. With these few words, I welcome all of you.
Thank you, sir. Ladies and gentlemen, Professor Nirmal Kumar Chaudhary, sir, needs no introduction. The former Vice-Chancellor of Guwahati University, Professor Nirmal Kumar Chaudhary, an immense contribution in the field of academic administration, promotion of science and technology, and innovation and social transformation in the academic area of the Northeast. He has been mentoring and guiding ERD Foundation and University of Science and Technology, Meghalaya, and all our institutions in all our endeavors. USTM and ERDF group of institutions would like to take this opportunity to bestow the great teacher of all teacher honor to Professor Nirmal Kumar Chaudhary, sir. I would now like to request Shri Mahbubul Haq, sir, to kindly do the honors. Sir. A small memento, token of appreciation from our from our members, ladies members of ERDF group. I would like to request Professor Nirmal Kumar Chaudhary, sir, to address all our faculty members and the ERDF fraternity, sir.
Namaskar. Honorable Chairman of ERD Foundation and Honorable Chancellor of USTM, Sri Haq, all members of the ERD Foundation family, particularly teachers, the institutions run by the foundation, ladies and gentlemen, I am extremely happy that the ERD Foundation has not forgotten the Teachers' Day, even in these times. I have seen for many years all the institutions of the foundation used to celebrate. We have all been advised to stay home and stay safe. Therefore, it is quite appropriate that this year's Teachers' Day of the foundation is being celebrated from a home. And I'm extremely happy that they have selected my humble home for this purpose. I thank the foundation for this action of love, affection, and honor shown to me. On this occasion, I offer my greetings and good wishes to all the teachers of our country and also elsewhere. And my good wishes are to the teachers of all the institutions of the ERD Foundation. I know how they are trying their best to give the best possible education to the students from the pre-primary stage to the PhD stage. I would like to record my appreciation of the excellent work done by the teachers of the institutions of the foundation. And I urge upon them to continue to do this great work, good work. Education, as we know, is the best tool of human development. And this noble task of providing education is being performed by teachers everywhere. That way, the teachers are helping the society in a way no other profession is able to do. So we should be all proud that we are teachers trying to help the society. Things have changed, and under the changing circumstances, we have to change. It is not that the strongest or the most powerful that survive. It is those who can adapt to changes that survive. That's why I'm glad to see that the ERD Foundation has taken this digital mode of celebration under the changing circumstances. This is a novelty, and I welcome this novelty. We should not be sad, or we should not feel anything bad about this one, but we should be proud that under such trying circumstances also, we have been celebrating the Teachers' Day. Finally, Teachers' Day, as we know, is the birthday of a great man, the great teacher, philosopher, Radhakrishnan, Dr. Radhakrishnan. On this occasion, I pay my homage to his sacred memory, and I call upon all the teachers to follow his ideal. With these words, thanking all of you, I conclude.
Thank you so much, sir. We have with us Dr. Mridul Hazarika, sir, Honorable Vice Chancellor, University of Science and Technology, Meghalaya. We request Mridul Hazarika, sir, to address our gathering. Sir.
Hello. Hello. Hello.
Sir, we can hear you.
Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Good afternoon. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Oh, yeah.
Sir, we
Good
can hear you.
afternoon. Yeah. Okay. Honorable Chancellor Sri Mahbubul Haq, respected Professor Nirmal Kumar Chaudhary, my esteemed colleague teachers, participants of today's program, ladies and gentlemen. Today is a very special day for us, and special day as I consider because Professor Nirmal Kumar Chaudhary was an architect of New Guwahati University because before him, the Guwahati University was in a disarray. After his joining, how it took a shape and move in a very definite direction for a positive change. And he was my predecessor, and I am indeed happy to be here today on this very special occasion. And he is being honored today on the Teachers' Day, and we are proud to be a part of this program today. Well, the light that we see in darkness, strength that we derive from our successful positioning in society is due to our teachers. Let's convey our best wishes on the occasion to our teachers. In this occasion, we also remember the great scholar and teacher, Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. I particularly express my deep sense of good wishes and gratitude to other teachers of USTM who took the challenge at the time of pandemic to deliver the inputs to the students. It was a great challenge without any preparedness. They really adjusted and had done a great job for the society, for the students at large. And you really deserve special appreciation on this occasion. And I, I'd like to mention that as Aristotle said, that roots of education are bitter, but fruits of education are sweet. I believe that education can open up our mind, give strength, build confidence to steer the society in right direction. We owe a lot to those who have chosen teaching as a profession to take us from darkness to light through education. And on this very special occasion, I pay my respect to Professor Nirmal Kumar Chaudhary, and I'm sure that the path he has shown to all of us will be emulated by us, and we will move forward with a great positive note on this particular Teachers' Day. And I wish you all the best. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Ladies and gentlemen, we are coming to the end of the felicitation ceremony. We would like to take this opportunity to specially thank Professor Nirmal Kumar Chaudhary, sir, for allowing us and to get this opportunity to be with you on this day. Because we know you, you have been the main advisor of our Honorable Chancellor and has been the father figure, the philosopher, the guide behind all our endeavors. Thank you so much, sir. And we do pray for your health and your prosperity always. I would like to take this opportunity to actually wish our own mentor, the mentor who has been guiding us, who has been guiding in each and every step that we take, our own Mahbubul Haq, sir. He has been guiding each and every person, each and every family members, we'll say, of ERD Foundation in each and every step that we take. We thank you so much, sir, for all your guidance, your mentorship. We are really grateful to have you with us always. I would like to take this opportunity to thank Dr. Mithun Hazarika, sir, Honorable Vice Chancellor, sir. Sir, you have been guiding us, and today also, with your words, we are really encouraged, and we hope that our teachers the main power behind our institutions, will be very much motivated and inspired by your speech. I would like to thank all the head of the institutions who are here present today, all the faculty members, all the administrative people who are present today in this virtual Zoom meeting, rather we will say, and also to our media persons, because we know that due this time you all are very busy, but still you all have given us time. Thank you so much. With this, we would like to end today's ceremony, but the Teachers' Day is not a day to be celebrated just for one day. It is the teachers are to be celebrated 365 days in our hearts. Thank you so much, teachers, and thank you so much, everybody. With this, we say goodbye. Thank you.